Weather is great. Rubber boots. We have these in stock at tmigifts.com. I want to show you guys a couple of ways to use these. I'm thinking Easter and you want to give your grandkids or your kids something that's functional and that they can use. Get them a pair of rubber boots. I just wanted to show a quick, cute way to put some things in them. I'm going to drop these. Got a couple of things of candies. We got really hungry a minute ago, and so we opened them up and started eating them. But stick your candy down in the boots. My grandson would absolutely love this, and he would like the candy, but he would love the boots too much. So I just thought that was a real cute way of getting a pair of rubber boots. And of course you can open the candy and pour it down in there. It's so neat to do that. Also, I want to show you about these rubber boots, what you can do with the rubber boots. We have these bicycle wheels. Before we sold out of them, we just got another stock of them. We might have some of the colors, we might not have some of the colors. So we have pink, yellow, a cool mint green, and a white. I think these could be used for birthday parties, spring, all kinds of, I think the ideals are endless to use these bicycle wheels. I think you can also take these boots and put them, wire them in to your bicycle wheel, do you a pretty bow on the top of it. That would be so cute to put for spring. Okay, we have this sign right here, this Hello Spring sign. I think it's $6.95, $5.95, something like that. The bicycle wheel is $14.95. Get on tmigifts.com and you can purchase any of this stuff. I think I'm going to put this Hello Spring sign on the bicycle wheel. I'm going to take some of these. Love these little sprays. Get these for your Easter wreaths or spring wreaths. I think this is something that can be used on lots of different things. So this bicycle tire here.
Purple pom-pom spray is only $2.95.
$2.95. Deal of the day. We will be out by the end of the day. Get on there, order them now. I'm going to take a zip tie. I know let's just hope this works here. Sorry, Macy, I know you're having to get this with me flat here.
No, I can see.
Got any followers today? Anybody on TikTok?
Everybody tell us where you're from. How the weather is. It's finally hot here.
Thank the Lord
For a day. We're in our t-shirts today.
Okay, so I'm gonna zip tie. Look, I know I'm being a little difficult here, but take a little zip tie. Tie that on. And cut this off. Okay, now I've got we'll see how this turns out. Who knows? And this could be hanging at the bottom. It could be it could be in the middle, it could be somewhere. But actually, let's do this toward the side. Let's put the Hello Spring.
Somebody said they're from Ohio. It's overcast and it's 49 degrees.
49 degrees. Oh,
feel bad for you.
Feel bad for you. We've had overcast skies though lately.
Arizona.
Yay, hello Arizona.
I bet it's warm there.
Okay. Ribbon would be awesome with the pink, the mint green, or the white. And here I have picked out a yellow ribbon. But I love the rain boots on it. It'd be so cute to make a bow to go on these rain boots as well. All right, and then I have two others. I don't know that we have this ribbon in stock right now, but
we definitely have other options.
We have other options that would be great. And then also on the gingham, we have this in 2.5 inch wide, and we also have this 1.5 inch wide. Go on there, wonderful stuff. This roll is a 50-yard roll. Don't know if we have any 50-yard rolls left, but we do probably have some 10-yard rolls. Okay, so I'm gonna make a bow.
Somebody said they're from New Hampshire.
Oh, hello, New Hampshire.
And it is 32 degrees.
Oh,
No. Oh, sorry. Does it ever get hot there?
Probably not.
New Hampshire.
Yeah. The person from Ohio said tomorrow it's going to be 71 there.
Oh, 49 to 71.
It's kind of like here.
You're gonna be sick.
Yeah, you're going to have to crew it.
New Hampshire. Is that east of us? Macy? Come on.
Is
Northeast. Okay. Okay, now, bow. I've got my little tails up here. I've got tails at the bottom because I think we need it to cover up a little bit. I'm actually going to do one more layer of this color, and I'm going to make me a little tail at the bottom. You guys see I have no rhyme or reason of the way I do bows. I just do what I like. And I get it to where I need it to be. Right now is I would have added some more of this yellow on here. And who knows?
A loop right there.
Huh?
In the middle, like.
Oh yeah, and I did this loop right here where you didn't see the zip tie. You see that? Mm-hmm. So like I like to always do that little loop. And I tried to make the bow big enough to where I would cover up all of my mechanics of this.
somebody
Sprays? Does ribbon not make everything better? What do they say, amazing?
The girl that was from Ohio, she used to live between Pontotoc and Chicolo.
Oh, we know exactly where that is.
Yes.
And then somebody said they're in Nevada and it's 23 degrees there.
Wow.
Morgan's husband's going to Vegas
Yes, he is leaving today, and he's not excited about that weather.
Yeah, he just got back from Florida.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
He's a professional golfer.
No,
He goes
he's
to
not.
Topgolf.
He wants to be a professional
Somebody
golfer.
said that a baby moon is the last.
Okay, so I would probably need to make my bow just a little different where you can see your hello spring.
That's cute.
Cute.
Yeah, I like that.
And how do you attach that to the door?
Oh, well,
You
TMI
can
gifts
go
dot com.
to TMI.
Easter basket. We have a lot of ribbon.
This would be cute for like a birthday party.
Oh, yeah.
Like a splish splash birthday thing.
Okay, and sometimes I do just an ankle cut. And take a yellow zip tie. And you could also take ribbon. Oh, let me do ribbon. I don't always show a ribbon, right? I'm gonna cut off a piece of my ribbon. I'm gonna run it through my boot here. It's also a way that you can attach it to any wreath. Run it through my loop that I made on the front.
Somebody said just joined. What are we doing here?
Just join. We are tying bows. We actually made a wreath on a bicycle wheel for spring. And then now we're just making a bow to go on these cute little boots here that we want to fill them with candy to give to our grandkids or our children. Or, let me get one of these. The peak.
Oh, that would be so cute.
And then you can kind of separate them and then do them like this. And then put your candy in them.
Yeah,
Or
that's
you could
cute.
put like these sprays.
Yes,
Put
that
them
would be
coming out those. Is that not super cute?
I love it.
So should we post this for sale made?
Do you want me to go ahead and tie these on there?
I think that'd be cute.
That'd be cute.
Yeah.
Okay.